All right, guys, welcome back. So we are looking at what you see is what you get and Blogger blog. So let's just dive into it. Now, the first what you see is what you get interface was Dreamweaver. Now, Dreamweaver was quite good, but linking Dreamweaver, creating your navigation was quite difficult. So a lot of persons find it very hard to use. Now, this is the interface of Dreamweaver. It was quite nice. It was something that a lot of people were using to design website, and it was easier than just writing codes, right? So beyond writing codes, this was the first interface that was quite easy that came up. Then what is Wigosigo interface or editor? It's actually what you see is what you get. Editor program that we use to write programs, and it interprets it as you see it. That's why it's called what you see is what you get. So as you are placing the value on your side, the code is being written for you on the background. So it is called the first graphic user interface, where you can actually place the image or place the text, and the code behind it will be written on your behalf. So this was the first one was Dreamweaver. So we're going to go to another one, which was the easiest after Dreamweaver. It was called Web Builder. So now, I believe by now we should have Web Builder up to 8 or so. I remember using Web Builder 2 to build a site. Now, this one is a familiar interface. Just like you have in Microsoft Word, you have standard tool. Then you have a toolbox, like you have in CorelDRAW. Then you have the tabs. You have workspace. You have site manager. Now, this one, it became easier for you to actually display your navigation. It was quite easier with this one. Then we have the formatting tool. Okay, first, we have already spoken about the standard toolbar. You can see them, they're just like Microsoft. You can see the file, edit, view, page. So it's just for you to pick and drop, and that was it. It was quite easy. Then we have the standard toolbox, just like CorelDRAW as well. Then we have the site manager. Then this is the website I used to design years ago. Quite plain. It's just for you to pick the picture, put it there, put the text wherever you want them, create the forms and all that. It was easy. Now, however, better things came. We have Blogger. Blogger was also is also another GUI, which is graphic user interface. It was a kind of a CMS, that's a content management system by itself. Now, we are going to build our first blog right now. So we are going into active mode now so that we can begin to build our blog. So I want you to just go to blogger.com so that we can start. So if you are in Blogger, just follow the prompt. You are going to see create site. So I'm going to go live now so that we can build our Blogger blog. Just type in blogger.com, and if you already have if your blog is already activated, it's going to let you see it. The blog is already there. All I need to do is to click on the orange plus button, and I'll start to make my new post. So this is where I enter the title. Let's assume what I want to welcome people to my blog. So I will say welcome to my blog. I can call it any name that I want. Then I go in here and type you are just introduce yourself and talk to the people about your blog. Then if you want to add a photo, you can use here. Just scroll. This is paragraphing. This is bold. This is italics. All that stuff that you already used to. This is adding picture, breaking lines, or adding links. Here is adding video and all that and all that. They are all here that you use. Then when you are done, you click the orange button here. Then to publish your first post in your blog. Then let's say we are publishing the first post. Remember, the only thing I wrote here is you publishing our first post. Let's just put something. So you are welcome to my blog. Okay. Then you can write as many things as you want to write. Then I want to bring a photo here. So I'm going to go inside and click here. So let me bring in a photo from my computer. That's my system now, my phone. Then you click on choose file. So once it's finished uploading, you click on select. This is my photo right here. So I'm just going to click on publish. Then you want me to confirm, I click on confirm. Now my first post is done. So now that my first post is done, I can go and view the post. You click on this ellipsis up here. You scroll down, then you will see view blog. Click on it to view your blog. So my first blog has been published. This is my first blog. This is what I wrote. You can write as many stuff as possible. Then you keep publishing. You can see the date that I publish it. You can change your blog template. I'm going to give you videos on how you can do that step by step. So I'm going to put a link of those videos on the comment section. How you can do that with the blog. How you can start and finish your blog step by step. So I think this is okay for our blogger blog. You can watch that video to learn more.